Hi, in this video we'll take a moment to talk about pricing. We know that value for money is key for all of our customers, and in our industry costs can vary significantly, and more often than not the price reflects the quality of the product and its results. We'll cover why the Halcyan is the price that it is, but also where it fits in the wider water conditioner and water softener market. So to start with, we're going to take a look at the broader market and finish off with the Halcyan. We want to try and put it in context from water inhibitors, water conditioners and water softeners and their various features and the price points that they sit at. So let's start with inhibitors. Superficially, a lot of them can look very similar to conditioners, but they have a rather more limited range. These systems are designed to inhibit scale formation to a degree, generally on a single piece of equipment such as a boiler. They're a low-cost solution to meet basic building regulations, which state that in any area with over 250 parts per million in its water, there should be a scale prevention device installed before the boiler. Scale inhibitors tend to have short lifespans, usually between 1 to 5 years, and 10 years at the very most. The quality of the results these systems deliver can be pretty variable, depending on the methodology they employ. These systems are usually low cost, coming in between £30 to £100, excluding installation. So, water softeners vary by price, quality and efficiency, but for the most part work well as long as they're maintained diligently. Salt softeners replace the hard calcium and magnesium ions in the water with sodium ions through a process called ion exchange. Softeners will often require a separate drinking water tap, as recommended by British Water, to prevent you from consuming water with higher sodium content. Water softeners last usually between 10 to 20 years, assuming they're maintained properly. Quality softeners have a high initial price, which often includes installation. Going forward, you have the additional costs of purchasing monthly salts and in some cases increased water usage. A high-end water softener can cost around £1,700 in the first year. Next we have water conditioners, of which Halcyan is one. Conditioners, regardless of their methodology, work by altering the structure of the minerals in the water rather than by removing them, thereby changing the way the minerals behave. This process prevents the minerals from bonding to the surfaces as they go through, as they remain in solution, travelling freely through your system and out into the drains. Where water evaporates, like on your shower door or your tap edges, conditioners leave an easy to clean soft powdery residue. With most conditioners, this residue will revert back to hard scale after around 24 to 72 hours. Halcyan is the exception to this, providing 2 to 3 weeks protection. Certain high-end conditioners, such as Halcyan, can also provide some of the lifestyle benefits of softer water, such as it feeling gentler on your skin, having less frizzy hair and using less detergents, while still maintaining the water's healthy mineral content. Conditioner lifespan can vary depending on methodology. Sacrificial systems will require replacing every 6 to 7 years. Other systems will last between 10 to 20 years. Halcyan lasts over 30 years. Prices in this bracket vary significantly, with basic systems coming in under the £200 mark and higher end sacrificial systems for between £450 to £500. Few conditioners include installation in their costs. So the standard domestic Halcyan unit, the H209, retails at £782. That price includes VAT and postage and packing, but not installation. So what benefits does Halcyan bring you at this price? Well, it's the premium conditioner, both because of its longevity of over 30 years and because it treats the minerals for longer than any other system. The Halcyan has no additional running costs once it's plumbed in and requires no maintenance at all throughout its lifespan, meaning you can spend time on the more important things in life. So in terms of price, Halcyan is significantly less than traditional salt or resin-based salt softeners, both at the point of installation and ongoing. Halcyan is more than other conditioners, but that's because our results put us right at the top of the range. We hope this has clarified our price and place in the market. If you're keen to find out more, please head over to our website to see some more useful videos and content. You can also get in touch with us via email at info@halcyanwater.com or just give us a call on 0345 50 40 656. We look forward to speaking to you soon.